In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline in Webflow. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get right into it. So by default, they make it a little bit difficult. The first thing we want to do, of course, is go into our website, just like I've done here. And it might take a few seconds to load. So if I go over to an aspect here, say this here, and I want to underline it, if I do Control U, which is the command for it, it says underlines are best reserved for links, so we've disabled that shortcut. And what you'll find is that if you go into some of the settings here, it's actually kind of tricky, especially even if you double click on it. It's tricky to find the underline here. So I have a slight workaround method that you can go ahead and do. Let's say that we want to underline the word inspiring. What I'd recommend first is to go ahead and wrap it. This one here. So you want to highlight it and go to this one here, which is wrap with span, just like this. Now again, we can't use an underline feature here. They don't let us do that, which is annoying. They may add it in the future, but what we can do instead is we can go down to the bottom and we can add a border to it. So here you can see borders. And if we want to underline it, we're going to add a border at the bottom, just like this. And we want to go ahead for the style. We can either have it a line, we can have it a dotted line, or a dashed line, or a dotted line. And we can change the color of it to white. So there we go. I'm going to change it to this one here. Oops, I need to select it. I'm going to change it to this one here. And you see it's a white line. We can also go ahead and change the width, which is essentially the thickness. So if we go like 5, you can see it's underlined there, just like that. You can change some of the other stuff, so you can like curve it around if you want to. Maybe you want to do a little bit like that. But that's basically the best way I have found to go ahead and underline things in Webflow. I'm not sure if there's a way to sort of change the distance, make it go more underneath and, make it clean so it breaks through the lines. I imagine if you did it across like the INS and then over this bit, you could probably skip the P. But yeah, that's basically how you go ahead and do it. But it gives you a little bit more customization because you can change the colors and all of that. But if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.